Welcome to the comprehensive guide to Revolut Transfer Money, where you will learn how to send and receive money securely and efficiently. Revolut is a digital banking app that allows you to manage your finances, exchange currencies, and transfer money globally. To start, you need to download and install the Revolut app on your mobile device. Then sign up for an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Once your account is verified, you can add money to your Revolut account using a debit or credit card, or by transferring funds from your bank account. To transfer money, navigate to the Payment tab in the Revolut app. Then select the recipient's country and currency. Enter the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information. You can also add a reference or description for the transfer. Revolut offers competitive exchange rates and low fees for international money transfers. You can choose to transfer money in real time, or use the app's budgeting feature to schedule transfers in advance. The app also allows you to track your transfer in real time, so you can stay up to date on the status of your payment. One of the key benefits of using Revolut is the ability to send and receive money in multiple currencies. The app supports over 30 currencies, including the US dollar, euro, and pound sterling. You can also use the app's exchange feature to convert your money into different currencies at competitive rates. To ensure the security of your transfers, Revolut uses state-of-the-art encryption and two-factor authentication. The app also provides 24/7 customer support, so you can get help whenever you need it. In addition to transferring money, Revolut also offers a range of other features, including budgeting and savings tools, real-time spending updates, and rewards and cashback on certain purchases. The app is available on both iOS and Android devices, and can be accessed online or through the mobile app. By following these steps and using the Revolut app, you can send and receive money securely and efficiently, and take advantage of the app's range of features to manage your finances and stay on top of your spending. With its competitive exchange rates, low fees, and user-friendly interface, Revolut is a great option for anyone looking to transfer money globally.